What's up, ladies and gents? Getting ready for our 3-box mini break tonight. Looking like we may have to push our pick your team break back again, but mini break going ahead in 20 minutes, 15 minutes. We're going to do our teams right now. Good luck. Live. 4 times as always. 1042 right now on Newfoundland. We got Brandon to Pierre Paul, aka Pete, and Anaheim to Winnipeg. No Vegas. Good luck, guys. We'll start with the teams. All right, sorry about that. I pressed the pause button. We're still going here. Here's your team. Here's your players. Here's your teams. It is 10:43. Let's start. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at what time? It is at 10:43, and 10:43 it is. Last and final random on the teams, and then we'll copy them over. 4th timestamp should be at 10:43. 10:43 and 10:43 it is. Let's copy them over. We got Calgary to Washington. Calgary to Washington, LA to Dallas. There is your teams. Now it is time to do your names. 10:43. Let's match them up. Brandon to Pete. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. I'm afraid the UFC here in the background is going to pick up the stream and cut me off. 3rd timestamp is at 10:44. 10:44. Last and final. Good luck. Copy them over. This is looking like the only break of the night. It's all good. We know it's slow times with McDavid and Chase the Greats literally right around the corner. 10:44 and 10:44. Brandon, top spot. Chad, halfway mark. Then we got Ken to Andrew. All right, folks, here's your teams. I'm not even going to go over them. I'm just going to post them, and then you guys can see them and do your trades. We'll see you soon. Good luck.